ये क्रांति हथियारों की नहीं, विचारों की है। India's future is in your hands. Our mission is unity in diversity. Let's strengthen harmony across cultures. Together, we can build a stronger nation.
India's youth are ready to lead the charge for change.
We have the tools and the vision to transform our nation.
This is our moment. The revolution starts now.
We're the digital natives, driving innovation.
We see the problems and create the solutions.
Our startups are changing the game.
Our voices demand progress and justice.
Together, we can build a brighter future.
एक नया भारत दरवाजे पर खड़ा है।
जहां युवा सिर्फ भविष्य नहीं, बदलाव की ताकत है। भारत को चाहिए नई सोच,
नई ऊर्जा।
जहां हर आवाज सुनी जाए, हर सपना मायने रखे। अब समय है सोच बदलने का, सिस्टम सुधारने का। शिक्षा, समानता और अवसर, यही असली भारत है। जब युवा आगे बढ़ते हैं, देश बदल जाता है। जेन ज़ी, अब भारत को नई दिशा दो।
India needs Gen Z now. Here are our top 10 missions for New Bharat. India needs Gen Z now for our zero corruption mission. A transparent system where honesty is the default, not exception.
Zero corruption. Zero corruption.
Together, we will build it. India needs Gen Z now more than ever. Introducing the Education for Every Child mission. Quality learning accessible in every village, city, and border region. Together, we will transform our nation. India needs Gen Z now. Digital India 2.2 mission. AI, coding, and digital skills in every school and college. Let's build a digital India. India needs Gen Z now. Our mission, employment and startups. Support youth innovation, scale job creation. Together, we build India's future. India's Gen Z must lead the Green Bharat mission.
Yes, Green Bharat mission.
Clean energy, tree planting, and climate action are our national priority.
For a greener India.
India's Gen Z is ready to lead.
Yes, we are ready.
Our mission, modern infrastructure, internet, and healthcare in every rural area. Together, we will build a stronger India. Why does India need Gen Z now? For the Women Empowerment Mission, equal safety, education, leadership, and opportunity for all women. This is our moment to act. India needs Gen Z now. Introducing our Healthcare for All mission. Affordable, fast, and accessible healthcare across India. Yes, join us. Let's make it happen. India's future is in your hands. Our mission is unity in diversity. Let's strengthen harmony across cultures. Together, we can build a stronger nation. India needs Gen Z now more than ever. We must actively include youth in policy, innovation, and governance.
Yes, Gen Z leads the way.
Together, we will build India's future.
Why India needs Gen Z now?
To build India as a global AI leader.
The AI Innovation Bharat Mission, empowering our youth for a smarter tomorrow.
India needs Gen Z to lead our future in space. Our mission, next-gen satellites for communication and defense. Liftoff confirmed, satellite deploying, all systems green. India is leading the world. Introducing the Made in India Smart Tech Mission, Innovistara Vision. Our young innovators are building world-class mobile technology. From transparent holograms to AI-powered interfaces, this is India's digital future, engineered right here. India needs Gen Z now. Our mission, advanced defense technology, ethical, strong, and AI-powered systems for national security. Together, we will build a secure future. Gen Z, India needs you now for a green energy mission. Solar and wind will power our clean energy cities. And next-gen education with AI for every student. Together, we will lead India's future. India needs Gen Z now. Our smart healthcare mission brings AI diagnostics, mobile hospitals, and affordable access to all. And our startup mission will create 1 lakh startups empowering Gen Z entrepreneurs. Gen Z, it's time for a digital governance revolution. Fully transparent, fast, and AI-assisted. India will lead in innovation, ethics, and technology. Join the mission. Build in India. Lead the world. AI plus space plus tech in New Bharat Power. Innovation is the new revolution. Gen Z creates the future, not waits for it.
एक नया भारत जन्म ले रहा है।
जहां जेन जी सिर्फ भविष्य नहीं, बदलाव की ताकत है। अब भारत सपने नहीं देखता, भारत सपने बनाता है। एआई से लेकर अंतरिक्ष तक, हर कोने में नई सोच, नया निर्माण।
Land to ocean to space to galaxy agriculture to industry to InnoviStar. Land to ocean to space to galaxy agriculture to industry to InnoviStar.
यह क्रांति हथियारों की नहीं, विचारों की है। जहां हर बच्चा पढ़ेगा, हर हाथ को अवसर मिलेगा और हर सपना जिया जाएगा। ये भारत किसी एक का नहीं, ये हर भारतीय का है। जेन जी, अब समय है उठने का। Gen Z, welcome to the top 10 vision points for New Bharat. First, a digital and AI revolution. Second, green energy dominance. Third, startup nation status. And 10th, youth-led governance. Let's build it. India is rising as a digital superpower. Gen Z is leading the world in AI, technology, and innovation. The future is digital, and India is ready. We need an equal opportunity society. No discrimination, only merit, talent, and hard work. India needs a world-class education system. Creative, skill-based learning, not rote memorization. We need this. India needs Gen Z now. For a clean, sustainable India. Zero pollution cities, green energy everywhere.
India is the startup capital of the world, a global innovation hub. Strong ethical governance ensures fast, fair for a thriving, innovative future.
इनकलाब जिंदाबाद! अब सिर्फ आवाज नहीं, जेन ज़ी का राज होगा और भारत करप्शन फ्री होगा।
जब युवा उठेगा तो सिस्टम बदलेगा। प्राइम मिनिस्टर से इंडस्ट्री तक, हर कुर्सी पर ईमानदारी का तिरंगा लहराएगा।
Let us make India corruption free. Great again! जब युवा उठेगा तो सिस्टम बदलेगा।
हर मंत्रालय में जेन ज़ी लीडरशिप और हर फैसला देश के भविष्य के नाम।
देश के भविष्य के लिए करप्शन फ्री और इनोवेटिव इंडिया बनाएंगे।
इनकलाब जिंदाबाद! अब सिर्फ आवाज नहीं, जेन ज़ी का राज होगा और भारत करप्शन फ्री होगा।